Tired of inconsistent practice and not improving your tennis game? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Penn Championship Tennis Balls, priced at just $34.97 for a pack of 36. What caught my attention here is that these are America's #1 best-selling tennis balls, trusted by players, coaches, and clubs alike. If you want a reliable and durable ball that delivers consistent performance, this is worth a serious look. So why are these balls such a popular choice? For starters, they're made with extra-duty felt, which means they can withstand the wear and tear of hard courts. This is perfect if you're someone who practices frequently or takes part in long rallies. The pressurized construction gives you a lively, predictable bounce, so you won't be left guessing how the ball will react during your matches. The fact that they're USTA and ITF approved means you can use them in competitive settings without worrying about regulations. Now, I have to be honest here. Some users have mentioned that these balls can lose pressure over time if not stored properly, which can affect their performance. But here's the thing, if you're practicing regularly and using them within a reasonable time frame, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a recreational player or coach looking for quality and durability without breaking the bank. But skip this one if you only play occasionally and don't need a large supply. Honestly, at $34.97 for 36 balls, it's a solid investment for consistent play. Now, if you're looking for something that allows for solo practice, the next product takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, High-Keen Premium Tennis Trainer. The High-Keen Premium Tennis Trainer priced at $49.99. This caught my eye because it's a portable solo tennis trainer that comes with 3 highly elastic string balls. If you want to practice your strokes anytime, anywhere, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The sturdy metal base ensures stability during your practice sessions, so you won't be chasing the trainer around. Plus, it comes with a 13-foot abrasion-resistant stretch cord that provides a realistic hitting experience, allowing you to work on your forehand and backhand without needing a partner. This is a game changer for busy individuals or those who want to focus on their skills without interruptions. Now, some people complained about the setup, saying it can be a bit cumbersome, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's super easy to install and use. It's designed for immediate training, which is a huge plus. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone who wants to improve your agility and coordination, but skip this one if you prefer traditional practice sessions with a partner. At $49.99, it's a reasonable price for a product that lets you train independently. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for consistent practice. Product number 3, All4Paws Automatic Dog Ball Launcher. Third on the list is the All4Paws Automatic Dog Ball Launcher, priced at $109.64. Now, I know this isn't just for humans, but if you have a dog that loves to fetch, this can be a fun addition to your practice routine. If you want to keep your dog entertained while you play, this is worth a serious look. So, here's what makes this automatic ball launcher stand out. It has customizable launch distances of 10, 25, or 40 feet. This means you can adjust based on your dog's energy levels or even your practice area. The rechargeable feature allows you to take it anywhere, making it perfect for backyard fun or trips to the park. Plus, it includes 6 specialized tennis balls that are designed specifically for this launcher, ensuring durability and safety for your pet. However, some users have noted that the launcher doesn't work well with standard tennis balls, which can be a hassle if you're looking for versatility. But here's the thing, if you decide to stick with the included balls, you'll enjoy a smooth experience. This is perfect for you if you're a dog owner who loves to combine playtime with your tennis practice, but skip this one if your dog isn't a fetch enthusiast. At $109.64, it's a bit of a splurge, but it keeps your pup engaged while you focus on your game. If you're looking for something strictly for practice, the next product might be more your style. Product number 4, Turna Pressureless Tennis Balls. Coming in at number 4, we have the Turna Pressureless Tennis Balls for $45.18 for a pack of 60. What's interesting about these is that they never lose their bounce, which is a big deal for consistent practice.
If you want a long-lasting ball that maintains its performance, this is worth a serious look. These pressureless balls are designed to keep their bounce for their entire lifespan, which means you won't be dealing with flat balls after a few uses. The extra durable felt ensures longevity, making them ideal for ball machines and practice sessions. Whether you're training indoors or outdoors, you can count on these balls to perform consistently, which is vital if you're looking to improve. However, some users mentioned that they feel slightly heavier compared to standard balls, which can take some getting used to. But honestly, once you adapt, you'll appreciate the durability and performance they offer, especially during extensive practice. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your training and need a reliable ball for practice. But skip this one if you prefer the feel of traditional pressurized balls. At $45.18 for 60 balls, it's an excellent value for serious players. Now, if you're still searching for options with a focus on versatility, let's check out the final product on this list. Product number 5. Gamma Sports Pressureless Tennis Balls Box, priced at $39.98. I was drawn to this product because of its variety of pack sizes and high visibility felt. If you want versatile, durable balls for all your training needs, this is worth a serious look. These pressureless balls won't lose pressure over time, which means they'll remain reliable for long-term use. They're designed for both indoor and outdoor court play, making them suitable for any scenario you might find yourself in. The high visibility color is another bonus, as it makes tracking the ball much easier, especially during those intense practice sessions. On the downside, some users have noted that they can wear out quicker on hard courts compared to other brands. But here's the thing, if you rotate them and use them for practice rather than competitive play, they can still provide great value. This is perfect for you if you're a coach, player, or parent looking for effective training tools. But skip this one if you're looking for something specifically tailored for tournament play. At $39.98, it's a reasonable investment for quality practice gear. To wrap things up, we've covered 5 solid options for tennis ball machines and practice tools. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Penn Championship tennis balls because of their proven durability and performance. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the All4Paws automatic dog ball launcher if you're not a dog owner, as it doesn't cater to everyone. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.